Hello, hi everyone. My name is Deepak Bansal. So today we are going to discuss the tool section and the IP planning section. Now there are three tools in this: Subnet Calculator, Route Summarization, and Overlap Subnet Finder. Though these three tools are very simple, these are not to replace a full IPAM system or any source of truth. These are built for those practical moments when you are planning a change or checking a route plan or validating a migration sheet, right? Or reviewing someone's subnet allocation before it goes into the production. Now this is very safe to run because it doesn't store any log or transmit or store anything. This is very safe to run, and you can run it with the um, basically you can put your all the private subnet, right? So it is very safe to run. Now let's start with the very first tool, which is the subnet calculator. We use it every day. This tool, you quickly need to understand the CIDR block. Now the beautiful thing about it is it's just a simple slider bar, where you can find out the number of hosts, and when you click it, it will tell you the number of hosts. And yeah, so if you go down, it will tell you in the /21 you can have this /4/23 subnet, and each will have 510 hosts. Now if you need more, of course, more nets, subnets, then number of hosts will decrease, right? So it is very easy, and I have put a reference sheet here. Sometime you quickly wanted to know the subnet mask and how many hosts you need, right? Now uh, now let's go to the next tool section, which is route summarization, right? Now this one is useful when you have multiple routes and want to use whether they can be summarized cleanly or not, right? So when you click on the summarize routes, you will tell okay, this out of these five, you can summarize this one, and only 192.168.0/28 cannot be summarized. So if you want to quickly want to know what can be summarized and what does not, right? Why does this matter? Because route summarization is still one of the simplest ways to keep routing table clean. Whether you are working in WAN or data center, you need a route summarization. um, right. Now the third tool is Overlap Subnet Finder. Now this one, I'm facing this problem every single day, whether this subnet is getting overlapped or not. So what I'll do, I'll just put a random some subnets, and all are private. And by the way, I never log or transmit or store any private network. It's only a private network data. You will hardly do this for public data, public subnets. And when you just paste it, it will tell you, okay, these two are overlap subnet and these three are very clean. Now this is because why overlapping subnet is important, because it quickly break designs. You may not see it immediately in a spreadsheet, right? But later when routes are advertised, then you will see, okay, something is going wrong, and you scratching your head. So um, now what you can do, you can take those subnets from your spreadsheet, paste it, and quickly tell it if there any subnet which is overlap. So overall, if you talk about the area tool section of IP planning, the subnet calculator help you understand the blocks, and subnet calculator route summarization help you clean up multiple routes, and overlap subnet finder help you catch any conflict before they make production issue. These are very small tools, but yes, they solve real day-to-day engineering problems. So if you're, I know, especially in today's world, AI and other tool will help you, and you hardly maybe use those tools. But yeah, I built it for someone who can, have in a one place all the tools, and basically wanted to use it. If someone has some restriction with the AI, or 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 is maybe running out of token. So yeah, so I have built ops run book. This is also very, I would say, brilliant tool, where you can add your section. You can, um, if you see this one, right, pre-cutover testing, what you need to do in pre-cutover, pre-implementation, pre-check go and no go decision, application shutdown start, then you do implementation, rollback decision, post check validation, resume validation, and the closer. So if you need any other section, you can add the section, you can drag and drop this section from here to top. But I'll not discuss this in detail in this video, but maybe some other time. And thank you so much guys for watching this video again. I'm really grateful for all the support. Thank you guys, and have a great day.